The West Indies will look to avoid their ninth straight one-day international series defeat or ninth one-day international defeat as they take on India in the last game of their three-match series at the Queen's Park Oval in Trinidad on Wednesday. Ronaldo Brown has our preview.
After their 3-0 series defeats to Pakistan and Bangladesh, the West Indies had hoped for a rebound against a depleted India team. But after a 3-run and a 2-wicket defeat in the opening 2 games of this series, the Caribbean side is back where they started. The plan now for the Nicholas Pooran-led team is to avoid another 3-0 sweep.
It's contagious, and at the moment in ODI cricket, we are losing and we are finding ways to lose games. But in terms of the confidence level, all the guys are ready for the challenge again tomorrow, and we are ready to come out there and put our hearts and souls out there and perform for the team just to get that win.
So far, the Windies have batted and bowled first in the series, and with 2 close defeats, Pooran is no closer to knowing where the strength of the team lies.
As a team, we are still figuring it out. We haven't put a collective effort together yet, so obviously the results haven't shown that yet. But the more games we play as a unit, I believe we're gonna figure it out, and we are close to actually crossing the line and actually figuring out what is our strength as a team. I don't want to be saying that our batting is our strength or our bowling is our strength. I want both facets to be our strength, to be honest, because that's how we're gonna win cricket games.
In the meantime, all-rounder Jason Holder, who hasn't played since March, has recovered from COVID-19 and will be available for Wednesday's game. However, which player he will replace is not as clear-cut to Pooran as some may think.
So now, we obviously haven't picked team yet for tomorrow, and for me to guess and say who he's gonna be coming in for, if he's gonna be coming in, that would be rude of me. So I think you'll just have to wait till tomorrow to see what's the final 11.
Wednesday's game is set to bowl off at 8 a.m. Jamaica time. Ronaldo Brown for TVJ Sports.